you one of the millions struggling with arthritis in your hands? You're not alone. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 58 million adults in the United States have been diagnosed with arthritis, with hand arthritis being one of the most common forms. This condition can turn everyday kitchen tasks into painful challenges, making cooking a daunting experience rather than an enjoyable one. But what if I told you that there are innovative gadgets designed specifically to make your time in the kitchen easier and less painful? In this video, I'll explore 12 amazing kitchen tools that can revolutionize how you cook despite arthritic hands, and the number one gadget is most important. So let's dive in. 12. Simple Spreading Stainless Steel Butter Spreader. First up, we have the Simple Spreading Stainless Steel Butter Spreader. Now, who doesn't love a perfectly buttered piece of toast? But for those with arthritic hands, spreading cold butter can be a real challenge. This nifty gadget is a game changer. It's not just your average butter knife, it's a 3-in-1 kitchen tool designed with comfort and ease of use in mind. The stainless steel construction means it's durable and easy to clean, which is always a plus in my book. What sets this spreader apart is its clever design. The blade has small holes that curl butter into easy-to-spread ribbons. No more struggling with hard butter or tearing your bread. Just glide it across your cold butter, and voila, you've got perfectly spreadable butter ready to go. The handle is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing strain on your joints. And here's a bonus: it's not just for butter. Use it for spreads, jams, or even soft cheeses. It's a versatile little tool that'll quickly become a staple in your kitchen drawer. 11. Copper Compression Arthritis Gloves. Next up, we have something that's not exactly a gadget, but it's a fantastic aid for anyone spending time in the kitchen: copper compression arthritis gloves. These gloves are like a warm hug for your hands. They provide gentle compression that can help reduce pain and inflammation in your joints, making all your kitchen tasks more comfortable. The copper-infused fabric is believed by some to have additional healing properties, though the science is still out on that. What's great about these gloves is that they're designed to be worn while you work. They're fingerless, so you still have full dexterity for tasks like chopping vegetables or kneading dough. The fabric is breathable, so your hands won't get sweaty, and they're thin enough that you can still feel what you're doing. Many users report that these gloves provide immediate relief from discomfort. Whether you're typing, knitting, or whipping up a gourmet meal, these gloves can help make your hands feel better while you do it. Just slip them on before you start cooking, and you might find that you can work in the kitchen for longer periods without discomfort. 10. Uccello Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Now, I know what you're thinking, a salad spinner? But trust me, this isn't your average kitchen gadget. The Uccello Good Grips Salad Spinner is designed with ease of use in mind, making it perfect for those with arthritis. The large, soft, non-slip knob is easy to grip and push, even if your hands are wet or your grip isn't as strong as it used to be. And here's the best part: you can activate the spin with just one hand. The bowl is sturdy and doesn't slide around on the counter, which means you don't have to struggle to hold it in place while you're spinning. The clear bowl doubles as a serving bowl, so you've got one less dish to wash. Always a win in my book. But what really sets this spinner apart is its brake button. With just a push, you can stop the spinning instantly. No more waiting for it to slow down or trying to grab a spinning basket. It's these thoughtful design elements that make this salad spinner a joy to use, even if you have arthritis. 9. Starfrit Electric Rotato Express. At number 9, we have a gadget that's sure to become your new best friend if you love cooking with potatoes: the Starfrit Electric Rotato Express. Peeling potatoes can be a tedious and painful task, especially if you have arthritis in your hands. But with the Rotato Express, you can say goodbye to manual peeling forever. This electric peeler does all the work for you. quickly and efficiently peeling potatoes, apples, pears, and more. Using it is a breeze. Just place your potato or other fruit or veggie on the bottom holder, lower the upper holder, and press the button. The Rotato will automatically peel the entire potato in seconds, stopping on its own when it's done. No need to hold on to the peeler or the potato, it does it all hands-free. The Rotato comes with 2 extra blades, which is a nice bonus. And here's a great feature, it can be powered by batteries or plugged into an outlet, giving you flexibility in where you use it. Whether you're making mashed potatoes for 2 or potato salad for a crowd, this gadget will save you time and discomfort. 8. NexTrend Garlic Twister 4th Gen. If you love the flavor of fresh garlic but hate the hassle of mincing it, this gadget is for you. The garlic twister is brilliantly simple to use. Just pop a peeled clove or 2 into the clear chamber, close it up, and twist. The sharp teeth inside will mince your garlic to perfection in seconds. No more struggling with a knife or a press that's hard to clean. What makes this great for arthritic hands is its ergonomic design. The square shape and textured exterior make it easy to grip and twist, even if your hands are a bit slippery from garlic juice. And because you're using a twisting motion rather than squeezing or chopping, it puts less strain on your joints. Cleaning is a breeze too. The garlic twister is dishwasher safe, but even if you're washing by hand, the open design means there are no tiny holes for garlic to get stuck in. Many users report that they've had their garlic twister for years, and it's still working perfectly. It's a durable, practical tool that'll make adding fresh garlic to your dishes easier than ever. 7. Newness Egg Whisk. At lucky number 7, I have the Newness Egg Whisk. This isn't your grandmother's whisk, it's a modern take on a kitchen classic that's perfect for those with arthritis. What sets this whisk apart is its push-down design. Instead of having to vigorously whisk in a circular motion, which can be tough on arthritic wrists, you simply push down on the handle. The whisk head spins automatically, doing all the hard work for you. The handle is designed for comfort, with an ergonomic shape that's easy to grip. And because you're pushing down rather than moving your wrist in circles, it puts much less strain on your joints. It's great for whisking eggs, mixing drinks, or blending light creams. Users love how efficient this whisk is, noting that it's fast and easy on the hands. Plus, it's quieter than an electric mixer, which is a nice bonus. Whether you're whipping up a quick omelet or preparing a more complex recipe, this whisk makes the job easier and more comfortable. 6. KitchenAid Beacon Two-Tone Non-Slip Mini Oven Mitt Set. Now, oven mitts might not seem like a gadget, but these aren't your average mitts. These mini oven mitts are designed with both safety and ease of use in mind. They're made from 100% heat-resistant cotton, protecting your hands from temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. But what really sets them apart is the silicone grip on the palms and fingers. For those with arthritis, maintaining a firm grip on hot pots and pans can be challenging and dangerous. The silicone grips on these mitts provide extra traction, helping you keep a secure hold on whatever you're carrying. This can give you more confidence in the kitchen, reducing the fear of dropping hot items. The mitts are also designed to be easy to put on and take off, which is a big plus if your hands are stiff or painful. They're machine washable too, making them easy to keep clean. With their stylish two-tone design, these mitts aren't just functional, they look great in your kitchen too. 5. Humutan Electric Jar Opener. Coming in at number 5, I have a real game changer, the Humutan Electric Jar Opener for weak hands. If you've ever struggled to open a stubborn jar lid, you're going to love this gadget. This electric jar opener is designed to do all the hard work for you. It fits a wide range of jar sizes and works with just the push of a button. Simply place it on top of the jar, press the button, and watch as it effortlessly twists off even the tightest lids. What makes this opener particularly great for those with arthritis is that it requires virtually no hand strength to use. You don't need to grip, twist, or apply pressure. The machine does it all. This can be a real lifesaver when you're dealing with joint pain or reduced hand strength. The opener is battery operated, so you can use it anywhere in your kitchen without worrying about cords. It's also compact enough to store easily in a drawer when not in use. With this gadget in your kitchen, you'll never have to ask for help opening a jar again. 4. KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. This isn't just any can opener, it's a well-designed tool that makes opening cans easier and safer for those with arthritis. What sets this can opener apart is its large, easy-to-turn knob. The oversized design means you can get a good grip on it even if your hands are stiff or painful. The turning action is smooth and requires minimal effort, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. The cutting wheel is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it stays sharp and cuts cleanly. This is important because a dull can opener can be frustrating and potentially dangerous to use. With this opener, you get a clean, smooth cut every time. But wait, there's more. This gadget is actually a 2-in-1 tool. It also features an integrated bottle opener, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen drawer. Users praise its durability and ease of use, with many noting that it works smoothly and never disappoints. 3. RMS Button Hook with Zipper Pull. Coming in at number 3, we have a tool that's not strictly for the kitchen, but is incredibly useful for anyone with arthritis, the RMS Button Hook with Zipper Pull. Now, you might be wondering what this has to do with cooking. Well, think about all the buttons and zippers on your clothes, your chef's jacket, your apron, even your regular clothes. When your hands are stiff or painful, these simple fastenings can become major obstacles. The RMS button hook is designed to make buttoning and zipping a breeze. One end has a wire loop that easily slips through buttonholes and grabs the button, allowing you to fasten it without having to pinch or grip. The other end has a hook perfect for pulling up stubborn zippers. What's great about this tool is that it gives you more independence. You don't have to ask for help getting dressed for your kitchen adventures. It's small enough to keep in your pocket or kitchen drawer, ready whenever you need it. While it's not a cooking tool per se, it can make your overall kitchen experience much more comfortable and enjoyable. 2. DMI Steak Knife. Now, this isn't your typical steak knife. It's specially designed for people with limited hand mobility or strength. The standout feature of this knife is its unique handle. It's large, ergonomically shaped, and covered in a soft, non-slip material. This design allows you to get a secure grip on the knife without having to close your hand tightly. For those with arthritis, this can make a world of difference when cutting meat or other foods. The blade itself is sharp and serrated, making it effective for cutting through meats and other foods with minimal pressure. This means less strain on your hands and wrists as you eat. And while it's called a steak knife, it's versatile enough to use for many different foods. What's particularly thoughtful about this knife is that it's designed to be used with either hand. So whether you're right-handed, left-handed, or need to switch hands due to pain or fatigue, this knife has got you covered. It's a simple tool, but one that can make meals much more enjoyable and independent for those with arthritis. 1. Uccello Electric Safety Kettle. And finally, at number 1, I have the Uccello Electric Safety Kettle. This isn't just any kettle, it's a beautifully designed piece of equipment that prioritizes safety and ease of use. The standout feature of the Uccello kettle is its unique tilting action. Instead of having to lift and pour a heavy kettle full of hot water, you simply tip the kettle on its circular base. This pouring action requires minimal strength and reduces the risk of spills or burns. The handle is large and easy to grip, making it comfortable to use even if your hands are stiff or painful. The kettle itself is lightweight, further reducing strain on your hands and wrists. And for safety, it has an auto shut-off feature when the water boils or if the kettle runs dry. But what really sets this kettle apart is its thoughtful design. It looks sleek and modern, fitting in with any kitchen decor. It doesn't scream adaptive equipment, which can be a real confidence booster. Whether you're making tea, coffee, or preparing food that requires hot water, this kettle makes the process safer and more comfortable. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks. 12 amazing kitchen gadgets that can make cooking easier and more enjoyable for those with arthritis. Remember, everyone's needs are different, so what works best for you might be different from what works for someone else. The most important thing is to find tools that help you continue doing what you love in the kitchen. Cooking is more than just preparing food. It's a way to express creativity, share love with others, and take care of ourselves. With these gadgets, arthritis doesn't have to stop you from enjoying all that the culinary world has to offer. So get out there, try some of these tools, and keep cooking up a storm. Until next time, happy cooking!